Today, we're going to talk about the issue of the missing Bluetooth button in Windows 10. To fix this problem, I'll show you 3 solutions, so make sure you watch till the end. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Solution 1. Go to the search bar and type Services. Run it as administrator. Then scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Double-click on it and under Start Type, make sure it's set to Automatic. Click Apply and then OK. After that, restart your computer. Now try turning on Bluetooth again. If it doesn't work, move to the next solution. Solution 2. Right-click on this PC and select Manage. Then go to Device Manager. Important step: select your device name at the top. Then from the Action menu, choose Add Legacy Hardware. Click Next. Then click Next again. Then click Next again. Choose Network Adapter. After that, select Microsoft and look for Bluetooth. If you don't find it, try other manufacturers like Intel or others. If you find the Bluetooth driver, select it and click Next until it installs. Then restart your computer and test it. This method often fixes the problem completely. If you still don't see it, move to Solution 3. This one has 2 options. Option 1, download a program called Driver Booster. I'll leave the download link in the description. Option 2, open your browser and search for Intel Bluetooth driver. Go to Intel's website and you'll find 2 versions. One for Windows 10/11 64-bit, one for Windows 10 32-bit. Choose the one that matches your system and click Accept Terms, then download the driver. After downloading, open the setup file and click Next. If you don't already have the driver installed, choose Complete. Finish the installation, then restart your computer. Now check Bluetooth. It should be working perfectly. And that's it. These were 3 solutions to fix the missing Bluetooth button in Windows 10. Hope this helped you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace.